Hey everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this cute little Sailor Moon-esque charm using an open bezel, UV resin, and these amazingly cute resin pastel wings. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. So to start off, we're going to put our bezel charm onto some sticky tape. Next, I'm going to take some pink UV resin that I got from Daiso in Japan, and I'm going to stick it right in the middle here of the star. Next, I'm going to take this little round embellishment, and put it right into the middle. Then I got this pink little round jewel and I'm going to stick that right in the middle. Okay, now we're going to put this under the UV light to let it cure. Next, on just a piece of silicone mold, not going to be using the mold, just using this so that I can mix up some UV resin with glitter. So I've got some clear whitish UV resin, not too much, just a little bit. Gonna mix in just a little bit of white glitter. Gonna add the white glitter resin to the sides of the charm. Now we'll put that under the UV light to let it cure. Next, we're going to add on some teeny tiny jewels just around the points of the star. Let that cure under the UV light. Next, we're going to put a little resin at the end of this resin wing, and then we're going to place it. Do the same to the other side. Alright, now that the wings are in place, we're going to put this under the UV light so that it cures and the wings will stick to the bezel charm. Once the wings are stuck on, take it off the sticky tape and we're going to add on some UV resin to this little pink jewel. And we're going to stick it right at the front, just there. Now we're going to put it under the UV light again to let that cure. Next, we're going to put some UV resin on the top. Alright, let's put that under the UV light to cure one last time. And there you have it, our cute little charm is all complete. Please let me know in the comments section what other resin crafts you'd like to see me make. Alright then, I'll see you next week. Bye!